Okay, it's cookie time, and the Girl Scouts of Southwestern Indiana brought us a sampler pack, which is exciting and very exclusive to us. So it's really exciting. So we're gonna unbox this for you, because that's what people do on YouTube now. And
hey, let's go watch somebody else open up something.
Let's unbox this. This is a big deal. Okay. Oh my God.
Oh, you better watch out. Almost called you nine-finger godmold there for a second.
If you have pre-purchased cookies,
yes.
They're coming your way, they're being delivered. But now it's time for when you go out to the stores, you're gonna see the Girl Scouts selling cookies. Oh.
What did we get? What's first? Let's pull out the bright yellow one first.
Okay. Lemonades.
Lemonades, those are actually, are you gonna open every one up and eat one?
That's what you do when you unbox. Yeah,
I ain't mad at it.
That's how you unbox things. Okay, so lemonades. Okay.
You're gonna describe. People know what Girl Scout cookies are.
That's really good.
I actually really enjoy lemon
Cookie
flavor.
with lemon, delicious. Okay.
I know what these are.
Okay.
These are one of my favorites.
Okay.
The caramel delights.
Those are not one of my favorites.
Groove is in the heart. So,
not even close. Not even close.
So we're not gonna open these up then, since they're not your favorite.
No, I'm just saying we're gonna open it up, but I'm just saying it's not.
Well. Not a good idea to put a whole cookie in your mouth.
Okay, those are good. Okay, this is my favorite one. Peanut butter patties.
Patties.
Always in the red box. Oh my God.
Next up we have the cousin of the peanut butter patty, and that would be the peanut butter sandwich.
Yep.
These doggone wrappers here, man. Here we go. I got
That is dope, right?
Oh, I don't know.
You wanna do this one with me?
Oh, shortbread.
Oh my God.
Mama little baby loves shortbread.
I love shortbread cookies. You know why? You dip them in anything, and they're so good.
You know what? Somebody would say, if you said, hey, I love your shortbread cookies, they would say, thanks a lot.
Dip them in peanut butter, so good. Oh good.
These are actually really good. These are the ones that have, they're like the lemonades, except they have chocolate on the bottom. Why are you throwing stuff at our camera?
I thought it'd be cool, like, it would look cool.
2 more boxes open.
Crowd pleaser.
Classic.
Everybody puts them in the freezer.
Little miss, little miss, little miss can't be wrong.
And you know what's funny about these? They're like, I'm gonna put these in the freezer and we're gonna eat them all year. They're gone.
Or,
in the first week.
6 years later, you find out you have a sleeve of these in your freezer that you forgot all about. Stop it.
I'm good, I just want you to eat it.
You don't want it? You don't like Thin Mints?
They're okay.
And the final box, within the other box.
Each year they bring in a new cookie. Sometimes they repeat a cookie, but it's like their feature or new edition cookie, right? But this cookie did so well in 2017, they brought it back for 2018.
Give me some more of those, please.
They're good.
They're s'mores. And here's the thing with s'mores. I don't even like marshmallows, but these s'mores, I'll eat them all day.
Yeah.
All day.
Go ahead.
Oh, you're done, huh? This is your idea to open everyone up and eat one, and now you stopped on me.
Well, I didn't want to.
Short timer.
What can I just? I'm not a closer.
Wow, don't go crazy over there.
All right.